Nag-iisa ka yata, yung kaibigan mo.
Si Jessica? Pupuntahan ko nga sa art class niya. Sige Thank you
Okay,
again for
bye.
this. Bye. Rafi! Are you sure nakapasa na akong model?
Of course.
Sige I have to go Jessica's expecting me. Thanks again and nice meeting you.
Walter.
Yeah, Walter. Bye-bye.
Hi, Jim. What's the rush?
They have Mass who wants to see me.
Hi.
Hi!
Ito nga pala yung mga pictures na kinuha ko sa'yo.
Oh? Ang
Hmm.
ganda mo kumuha! Ay, naduling yata ako dito sa isang to. Ang gaganda. Thank you, Rafi. Magkano to?
Pabihira ka naman. Kung bayaran pag-uusapan, dapat ako pa nga magbayad for your modeling services. By the way, my friend.
Walter Ibanez.
You're also taking up photography?
Music. Classical. Guitar.
Oh.
Nag-iisa ka yata, yung kaibigan mo.
Si Jessica? Pupuntahan ko nga sa art class niya. Sige Thank you
Okay,
again for
bye.
this. Bye. Rafi! Are you sure nakapasa na akong model?
Of course.
Sige I have to go Jessica's expecting me. Thanks again and nice meeting you.
Walter.
Yeah, Walter. Bye-bye.
Rafi, are you sure makapasa na ako model?
Walter.
Pare naman, oh. Pinag-aaksaya mo ng film yun?
What's wrong? She's friendly, outgoing, at parang sunshine girl.
And definitely, she's not my type.
Paano kasi ang type mo, mistisa, and opposites attract? Morena ang type ko eh.
Hindi totoo yun. Ang ganda nun, ah.
Oy, miral naman pagkabagling mo.
Papasa kaya ako maging model, ha?
Fabulous. Magnificent. Pwede na pala akong model ng Vogue tsaka Bazaar, no? Kaya lang, hindi ko sure kung ang model o ang photographer ang mahusay.
Amateur. Definitely amateur.
Baka naman prejudice ka lang kay Rafi.
My dear, I'm the most open-minded person in the world.
Well, open-minded girl, let us close the subject. Sige, I'll see you later,
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Take care. Mrs. Murray!
Bye, Sarah. Now, when you do the readings on stage, I want the fellow in the last seat out there to be able to hear you as well as the one who is sitting here in the front. So let's have a little practice today. Concentrate, please. This is taken from A Taste of Honey. You are all familiar with the play, I believe. Helen, please. Amanda, will you read that part? Josephine, her daughter, Suzette. Peter, her friend. Ryan, I think it's your turn. The boy, Todd. Let's have you read the boy today. And Jeffrey.
Oh, hi. Anong ginagawa mo
Jean,
rito?
you play
Kaya
Jeffrey.
bakit hinahanap, ah?
Right now, as for the jazz trio, quite obviously, unless you're
Tayo ko
very
na, Miss
clever,
Alfonso.
you cannot do the
May
sound
problema
of
ako
the
mabigat
music,
eh.
and I don't think you're quite that clever.
Nahuli ako ni
May
Miss
we
Alfonso.
begin with the
Grabe
reading?
yung makeup work ko kay Kali.
Act one,
Ano naman ang kinalaman ko doon?
a reminder.
Wala, pero pare malakas ka ron, eh. Kayang-kaya mo yung pare. Pare, tulungan mo ako.
Not the
Pag nag-iinit si Miss Alfonso,
I
susunod ako
want
ng pare.
that man out there to be able to hear you. Helen?
Well, this is the place, and I don't like it. When I find somewhere for us to live, I have to consider something far more important than your feelings. The rent. It's all I can afford.
Amanda, make your sounds a little more clear, a little more round and separate.
You can afford something better than this old ruin. When you start earning, you
Nasaan si Walter?
Nakalis na pala siya, daddy eh.
Kala ko sasabay sa atin.
Sinundo na ho siya ng lola niya eh.
You seem to have lost a lot of weight. Hindi mo siguro iniinom yung mga vitamins mo. Even your glass of milk before bedtime, you probably forgot.
Iniinom ko ho, mami.
Oh, tayo na. Let's go.
Ba't kaya hindi ko pa alam sa akin ang lukong niya?
Well, Mr. Caleb, I'll see you again when I bring the girls up.
Drive carefully.
Bye, sir. Take care. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Tito.
Have a good holiday.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Did your girls make good this semester?
Yes, Tito.
Can you fit all that luggage in?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Easily.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Oh, bakit?
Ha? Hinahanap ko kasi yung isa kong friend eh. I have to say goodbye to him eh.
Sino?
I have to say thank you to Rafi para dun sa mga bagong pictures na binigay niya sa akin.
Huwag na lang, umalis na yun. Tara, let's go. Bye, Miss Alfonso.
Bye, Miss Alfonso!
Have a nice time.
You too!